Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Sapphire plugin in Premiere Pro. So to do this is pretty simple. So to install your Sapphire plugin in Premiere Pro, you'll have to go to BarsFX. So it's barsfx.com/product/Sapphire. Or you can just go to barsfx.com and then go to products, then Sapphire, then press that. So you want to download the free trial, or if you have, you can buy it right here. So once you downloaded it, you'll be able to access the BarsFX hub. So from here, you want to install it for your After Effects and Premiere Pro. So once you have done that right there and installed this all, so of course you'll have to install the installer of your Boris FX Hub first, then this one. You'll just have to go to your Premiere Pro, which is pretty simple. And then if you go to FX and then type S underscore, and then here as you can see, all of the Sapphire effects are right here under this S and underscore. So there you go guys, that is how you install your Sapphire plugin for your After Effects and Premiere Pro if you want to. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.